how to fix banana game crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the banana game, go to properties, and then go to general, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 in this text box right here. Now you can go to the installed file if the game is installed already, so you should see installed files section like this. Now you want to click on the browse button and find the game's exe file, right click on it, and then go to properties, compatibility tab, and check both of these options right here. Click on OK and then close out of this. Now you can click on verify the integrity of game files and just wait for this process to finish repairing the files. Now once this is done, you can close out of this. Now you can try to launch the game to see if that solves the problem. And the last solution is to basically open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. You should download it and install it if you don't have it already. Then go to drivers section, select Game Ready driver, and make sure to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once you install it or download it and install it, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. And once you do that, you should simply open up Steam again and just launch the banana game, and this should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.